Guys, my name's Vikram. I'm a student of business and organizational psychology. I'm studying my Master of Arts with Steinbeis University in Berlin, and I've been in Germany since 2018. I chose this study program because I've always been fascinated by psychology. Pretty much as long as I can remember, I've been reading psychology books, and I've also been interested in business. And for me, this course was pretty perfect because it blends two worlds together, the world of academia and the world of operational business, which I think is Steinbeis' core philosophy, really, and that's what drove me to applying to this university. Well, I've been in Germany for 6 years already and got a bit of an experience about the country, about the different kind of study programs available. I chose Steinbeis for a really specific reason. It stood out to me because of the transfer program, where I found that a lot of the things that I wanted that most other academic institutions don't offer, that is an applicable way to kind of transfer the knowledge that I learn in class to real life, that's something that Steinbeis is championing. And when I read that on Steinbeis' front page, I was pretty much already sold, and that's why I'm here. Insider allows all of us students to track our progress in our course very seamlessly and can stay pretty much up to date with all of our course material. There's a couple of things that I really like about it. Firstly, the Insider platform is being constantly updated, and therefore it's being constantly improved. And at least in my experience here, I've seen two different versions of the Insider platform. The most current version, all of the coursework related material and projects and even our thesis stuff is all in one place, which makes it very easy for me, especially I'm kind of a disorganized person. It makes it really easy for me to follow through on all of my studies and work on time. It has a very clear layout with a very easy navigation. It took me maybe 20 minutes to figure out how to use the Insider platform. It's very simple. There's just a home page with all of your course material, and you can pretty much navigate effortlessly from there. And the thing I really like about it is that there's detailed prompt feedback. So for all of the essay type questions that we might have to do for our course, we get feedback on them automatically, and we can use that to upgrade our answers and achieve a great score and really learn the material. And at least for me personally, I love the fact that the online library is right there. So for each essay type question or each answer we have to give, there is all of the material provided by the professor that's relevant to that question right there. We can read through it, cite it. And me personally, I download all of the resources. So it's like I have a ton of knowledge just on my laptop because of Insider, which is great. There's a few things that I like about being here besides just the studying and the curricular activities. And one is that Steinbeis kind of invests into having a community, which is rare for master's programs. Generally speaking, master's programs these days don't really have a campus, so to speak, or they don't have too many community-based activities, but we do over here. We have coaching workshops, fun nights, many different things, and I think that brings a lot of life my experience here studying. And secondly, I love Berlin. I've lived all over Germany. I've lived in Frankfurt, I've lived in North Germany, I've lived in the South, and so far I would say I've grown up in cities, and Berlin offers a lot of convenience to me. There's a lot of diversity here. You can go right outside the city and you have forests. You can be in the city and you have a lot of nightlife. If you don't like nightlife, you have a ton of libraries. You have pretty much everything you would want without the closing times at 5 p.m. So for me, Berlin, its transport system, the activities you have to do here, the community at Steinbeis all offers a really great reason for me to study over here.